Well, good morning. It's 4:40 in the morning. We're rolling out Roswell. You see some alien, Grand Canyon, some hiking, and then Vegas, baby. Probably about another 100 miles to Fort Stockton, and then kick it up to Roswell. See some aliens. We're gonna go right now to the UFO museum. See what that's all about. I don't see any aliens yet, so we're good. Oh, wait. Show the world your home. Look at this. Everybody that comes in. Good morning. Day 2. Just woke up and took a shower, got dressed. It's 4:16 in the morning. I should be there around 2:30. So we'll see. It's a 9-hour drive from here to the Grand Canyon. So that should give me time to set up the tent, walk around, check things out, and prepare for the next day, which is the long hike. They got some hot air balloons in the air. I took the exit to check out these balloons, and I'm gonna try and fly the drone. See if we can get some good shots. Hey, okay, so we just turned into the road that leads to the Grand Canyon. Probably about 30 or 40 miles in. And then, yeah, then we'll be there. Holy shit. That just goes on forever. Sitting by the fire. We got a long hike tomorrow. I'm gonna get down to the 3-mile mark, and if I feel good, I'm gonna keep going to the river. If I don't feel good, I'm turning around. It's 4:30 in the morning. I'm dressed. Guess we're gonna do this. Alright, so this is recording. That light you see in the front is what I see. Dirt. That's how early I started. It's not even light out yet. It's starting to come up. I'm already half an hour into it. Walked down a mile already. So, yeah, and that right there, I don't know if you can see it, it's coming up. Horse shit. Or actually, jackass shit from the jackasses that ride up and down the trail. But I'm going to show you, I'm going to put the camera out so you can see if in fact you can see anything, but hang tight. Hold on. this down here. There we go. So that's my view right now. So I'm here, and I was up there. So this is the trail going down, and that's the fucking view, man. It's gonna be nice. Shit house, I guess you could say. If you have to take a shit on your way down, that's where you go. So I don't have to take a shit. So we're down to the second shit house. Because if you have to take a shit twice, then this is where you'll do it. Right over here. We're coming up to it right now. But 3.3 miles down. There's water here at this stop. It's a 3-mile rest house and a toilet. So, well, yeah, we got 3 miles down. Got my lucky hat on. Said a prayer before I left. I told myself if I felt okay at the 3-mile mark, I would go. But if I felt bad, I'd turn around and go back up. But I'm going. But yeah, look at that behind me. Came all the way down that motherfucker. We're trekking 4.5 miles at an hour and a half. So that's pretty good so far. But if you look in the distance, you can see that trail up ahead. That's where we got to go, and then we got to go down some more. We just passed the campground, Red Angel Campground, and we got about, hell, I don't even know. We're just gonna go to the river. We got miles to go. I'll let you know when we get there. I can feel the legs tightening up a little bit. Stop and drink some water. So when I get to the river, I'll sit and eat some protein, and we got a Powerade. Relax for about 20 minutes and then head back. That's gonna be the tough part. This is easy. But yeah, so see you then. Which way is the best way to get by here? Yeah, fuck that, my feet got wet. Shit. My calves are beat. But we're on a second level of down. So we got down the first part, straight shot to the gardens, the Indian gardens right there, the little campground and stuff. Come around the corner, boom! Still going down. Probably take about 30 more minutes before we get to the river, but we'll see what happens. And my feet are killing me. I still gotta go up. I did it. Don't ever let anybody tell you can't do shit, because guess what? Mighty Colorado! Oh yeah. It's 9 o'clock. I did it in, well, 9.21 miles, 3 hours and 30 minutes. A few pictures down here. When I leave at 9:30, that's in 25 minutes. Rest up a little bit, drink some water, and then yeah, from where I'm at, there's a little house. It's a little rest stop at the bottom, and then if you can see it, if it comes in focus or not, there it is. I gotta go way over there. It's like 3 different levels, so wish me luck. How you doing, sir? Good, good. A couple more miles. Here's an update. We got about 2 miles left. I just rested for about 20 minutes, but that didn't help none. Another half a mile, then I'm done on the rest. See how I feel. hiking for about 9 hours. Almost done, mile and a half to go. Check this out. Check it out. Fucking straight the fuck up. Bad idea, but it was worth it. I'm about, I don't know, 3/4 of a mile left. So let's get it. It was dark when I came through this the first time, but check it out. It's just a tunnel through the rocks. Pretty cool. Almost done, guys. Almost done. I'll show you the end in 1 second. In a few minutes. So I think I did it. Yeah. We are at the top. Bright Angel Trail to the river and back. Done. That's it, son. We did it. River back. Not bad for a fat man from Texas.